This is not a normal high school classroom. This is a unique program. We have recent graduates that were excelled in our manufacturing program coming back to give time. We have current rising sophomores, juniors, and seniors coming back, volunteering their time.
For me, it's kind of like, I like teaching at times. It feels like something that you can be proud of doing.
We have summer school students making extra work, making extra credit work for their grades. And we have the middle school kids all working together. We call it tribal learning, where they're mentoring. They teach each other.
What we do here is we learn about stuff that we might use in our future lives.
I am a graduate of Westview, and I came back to help with the kids in summer camp. It feels rewarding, and at the same time you can see how far they can go because you've gone that way, you've done that path, and then you could teach them more about that and they could learn new things that they could pass on to more students.
It feels good to be with a person like your age, so they know what you think and you know what they think.
I think it is very important to have, especially for a summer camp with middle schoolers, because then you could say, if you enjoyed this, maybe you could look at this as a career, and then once they get to high school, they can focus on what they want to do.
It's fun. I got to meet a lot of new faces. Kind of glad my mother made me come here.